Hi guys, and welcome back to Chip's Green World. Today is going to be a slightly different vlog, going hunting for a quality pair of replacement shears. Thought you might like to come along for the ride. So without any further ado, let's get on with this week's vlog. Hi and welcome back to Chip's Green World. I'm Chip, this is the courtyard, that's Spud, Flower, that's Gypsy Boy, the work, the jobs. Join us on our adventures. Let's get to work. Right, so first thing, quick change, and off we go. Let's go! And we have a very excited Chippy today. And the weather for today is cloudy sun with a sprinkle of showers and plenty of rainbows. And the reason behind this vlog is so many people have been asking me the brand name of my shears and where I get them from. So this vlog should answer all them questions. Right, now we're out of the valley where the village is. You should be able to see a good view of Yorkshire now. But that's where I live, just down there. And if you've enjoyed this vlog, let me know in the comments. And I may take you on a trip out to the historic Georgian market town of Richmond, my place of birth. And now we're leaving Yorkshire and into the county of Durham. Then over the bridge that crosses the River Tees into the historic market town of Barnard Castle. And we're here! Didn't take long, did it? So, why we're here? This street is my favourite shopping place for antiques. And that's where we're going to look for a new pair of shears today. There are around 8 antique shops on this street, and then there's another couple in the town at the top of the hill. I'll show you around maybe 1 or 2, and then I'm going to have to put the camera away as I need to get on rummaging. Ooh, aren't they lovely? Little Gypsy Boy having a good rummage there. I've told him to keep an eye out for anything that looks like a clipper. And just as I say that, I spot in the corner of my eye on that bottom shelf a pair of clipper handles. Yes. Oh no. Ooh, what's that there? Ooh. Oh, heaven. Just what I'm looking for. How beautiful. I'll put them to one side and keep rummaging. Ooh, I spotted some hats there. No, Chippy, focus now. Replacement shears. Right, I'm going to have to put you away so I can get stuck in rummaging. I'll just show you where Gypsy Boy's gone. Let's have a look in here. Oh, there's just so much stuff to look at. It's hard to keep focused on what you've actually come for. Right, a little look down here and then I'm putting you away. And 3 hours later, all done. Right, let's get home as quick as possible and unwrap. It's like Christmas Day. Right, let's get inside and show you what goodies we got. Item 1. 2 little terracotta pots. I'm thinking about putting moss in these and putting them on the new display table in the courtyard. Item 2. A pair of snips. These are the ones I showed you on the VT. Not what I went shopping for. An extra bonus buy. Item 3. Let's unravel. Oh, exciting. A pair of clippers. I did show you these in the VT, but I didn't show you how beautiful they are. Listen to that. Just need to sharpen, a polish, maybe a bit of wire wool and then oiling. Very pleased indeed with these. On to item 4. A baby pair of snips. These need a bit of work, but I couldn't resist them. Thought they might come in handy for deadheading. Need obviously a good polish, wire wool and a bit of oil, but these are going to be beautiful. Then on to item 5. These beautiful things. Got a leather case. Ooh, Look at them. Listen to that. Beautiful. Look rather lethal though, don't they? But fit my hand like a glove. Then on to the last item of the day. Item 6, the bonus buy. A beautiful watering can. This is going to be used for display purposes only. It's a beautiful thing though. Have a look at the quality of this nozzle. Brass. Isn't that delightful? Have a closer look here. So there you go. I go back in time to get my clippers. Great quality and made to last. Maybe you could check out your local antique store. Well, that's it for Chip's Green World this week. Hope you've enjoyed. Hope you'll join me next week. And have a great week, everybody. Bye now.